Christmas. I'm just signing in for my stress. Psst, hey, what dog is it? The report? Okay, thanks. Can you also open up the class notes thing? I'm really bored. I do not like the report class. Like, I really don't like this class. Yeah, it's really boring. I'm pulling up the class notes so I could just get extra credit. I mean, yeah, I do like doing it on paper, but I usually don't really do it. What class are we in again? Okay, thanks. Miss, yeah, I'm filling out the report things I'm supposed to be here. Yeah, I'm filling out it, and the directions are on my thing. I really don't like it, should I? Okay, so this is it. Okay. Got it. So... yeah, I'm just copying and pasting something. What is the title of the report have to be? Okay. Okay. I really don't understand. I don't understand what the teacher's saying. Can you repeat that? Okay. Or just write it down here? Okay. I really don't like history. I don't understand this. Wait, what? Really? Oh no. keep up with the teacher right now. Just can you slow down? I'm mean. Yeah, I'm, typing club. Yeah, I can literally like write something and it would be right there. Oh gosh, that wasn't right. What did she say? I forgot. I missed a note. Thanks. Did you forget that one? Hey, you. I don't care. I don't want your answer. I just want to know what note she took. Thanks. I forgot what was the note. Sorry, I keep on. Sorry. She's not going way too fast. Just tell me. Yeah, I'm almost done. Shoot. Sunday, I have math now. Yeah. I don't know if I should leave now or should I just wait. Yeah, my reminder just came up on my phone. Yeah, it said that I have to go to math now. I don't know what to do. I have an early class to go to. I have an early math. Then history, right? Yeah, and then after I have a social studies meeting. They want to just meet with me. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna ask. Hey, I have an extra math class in like 2 minutes. Am I able to go? You also